Hello, I am Toluwani from English and Technology, and today I'll be showing the Whiteboard app in Microsoft Teams that you can use for collaboration, brainstorming, working together with students while you are on an online lesson. Here, I'm clicking join to launch the meeting as the educator here. So as the educator, I'm sharing the screen, so I click on the share tray icon there. Way up on the right, you've been seeing this whiteboard, so I'm clicking Microsoft Whiteboard to start sharing the whiteboard. Now the first choice I get is, do you want to present the whiteboard where only I can edit, or I want to allow everybody to edit at once? In this case, I'm just going to start presenting the whiteboard as the educator here. I will click on present whiteboard, then allow collaborations later in this whiteboard. Now you see this pop-up here that says only I can edit. If I want to change this in the setting, I will just switch on, other participants can edit, but for now I will leave it off. Now at the top I have my toolbar, the pens, the eraser, sticky notes, text boxes. So let's start with some text boxes. So here's idea list number 1, then I create another one, idea list number 2, and the third one, idea list number 3. Now with the whiteboard, I can drag each text box wherever I want. So I drag this one here, idea list number 2, I drag here, idea list number 3, I drag here. And I have some pens that I can use. So maybe I want to underline this one in red. I can also underline or write in green. I can also underline or write in blue. Now I can also pen and zoom. So if I click on penning and zooming, I can drag things for adjusting for better view on my screen. I can zoom way out. I can zoom way back in. So it's a fun way, a very nice way that allows me to have a better way to present my ideas on the screen. And on upper right on the settings icon, I will click on other participants can edit. So I have other students right here that are waiting to collaborate with me right here. So I turn this on. Now, dear students, we are collaborating now. So we have the red team, the green team, and the blue team. So we're going to brainstorm sticky notes ideas for the project we are working on. So everybody, let's go. So we're going to start adding notes, and the first note you see there is my note, and you can see the other 2 notes behind there from my students. And I just put red rovers here as my idea list number 1, and other sticky notes from my students will be dropping in, and you're going to see what they are typing as well. Now that's my second one here, and yes, I can see the green machine from a student. I can see return to the blue lagoon from a student. So I can make effect on the student's work by saying yes, the green machine is good. I can also make effect on the student work, and I can say everyone, good work there. So now let's turn off. So now let's see the way it looks like on the student screen. Now, so here I am signed in as the student, and it has been marked read only. So the student will not have any option to edit the screen anymore. They don't have the toolbar. Now I want to show you the way it is, the way it appears live on both the student screen and the teacher screen at the same time. So you're going to see the live display on both ends. So the educator's view is there, and you also have the student view at the same time. Now when you write on the screen, the students see it live at the same time on the screen, on the student view. You can use eraser as well. When I erase, it also appears live. It also goes live on the student's screen. You can also use the text box. So I use my keyboard to type, and when I'm done typing, it appears on the student's screen at the same time. Now on the teacher side, you can also see the sticky notes there. So I'm going to use the sticky note now. So we're going to make some work together now. So this time around, I'm going to ask my students if they prefer tea or coffee. So I will click on that settings and turn on participant can now edit. So now if you see the student screen, they also have their toolbar there, so they can also work on the screen. And whatever they put on their screen as students, it appears on my screen, and that's the same way everyone sees everything we put on the screen at the same time. Now I will go back to the first example and give you more tips about whiteboard. Now our work is done, so now I can leave the meeting. One thing is you can open this up in the actual whiteboard app on Windows 10, but this is all about the web app, so I'm not going to do that in this demo. So now on the settings icon, you can export this as an image, but at the end I will show you where you can see this in the future. So now I'm going to click end meeting now. Now the meeting is ended. If you see at the top, you'll see files, you'll see meeting notes and the whiteboard. So this is the permanent home of the whiteboard. Now you see when I click that, you can see the work we did is here, so I can retrieve it anytime I want. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to English and Technology, like this video, and also share the link as well. Thank you.